Welcome to this technical guide on the TP410U. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing an issue where the touch screen on your TP410U isn't responding, you're not alone. This can happen for a number of reasons, such as software glitches, physical damage, or component failure. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, making your device even less usable. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a plastic pry tool, tweezers, and a replacement touch screen. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off to prevent any electrical damage. Using the plastic pry tool, carefully insert it into the gap around the device's edge to open it. Take your time here to avoid damaging the casing, as it can be quite delicate. Once you've opened the device, locate the touch screen digitizer. This is usually connected by a few screws and a flex cable. Gently unscrew any screws that hold it in place, noting their size for reassembly. Remember to apply moderate force when unscrewing, as excessive force can strip the screws. Next, using the tweezers, carefully disconnect the flex cable from the motherboard. Make sure to do this gently, as the connectors can be fragile. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, with the faulty digitizer removed, take your new touchscreen and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Reconnect the flex cable securely, ensuring it clicks into place. Once that's done, replace the screws to hold the digitizer in its position, again ensuring they are securely fastened without over-tightening. After the digitizer is in place, carefully align the device's casing and press it back together. Make sure there are no gaps and everything fits snugly. Finally, power on your device and test the touch screen functionality. If everything works perfectly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your TP410U. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure you keep your device protected from physical impacts and regularly update your software. This will help maintain optimal performance and reduce the chances of screen issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.